Welcome to my kitchen. Let me show you how to make simple, healthy, non-sugary shortbread snack, perfect for the kids. Even adults, anyone can literally enjoy this as snack in the family. It's so easy to put together. All you need is just a few ingredients. Hi everyone. If you're joining for the first time, thanks for being here. To all my returning subscribers, you're all amazing. So guys, let's get into the kitchen and start baking. So the first thing you'll be needing is your flour. This is just a simple plain flour. Go in with 3 cups or 4 cups of flour and then add your powdered milk. This is powdered milk. About 4 spoons of powdered milk. Mix together. Once you're done mixing, add your honey, add every other things that you want, so all the flavors that you want in there. Remember, this is a non-sugary one, so I used honey as an alternative to sugar, okay? But if you want to add sugar, I would advise you add brown sugar, okay? Brown sugar is the recommended healthier option to white granulated sugar, okay? So I'm just going to go in with honey. So I used my eye to measure it, but you can always measure with spoons. So this will be about 3 to 4 spoons of honey. Then I go in with my soft butter. Remember, with this recipe, we don't add milk or any liquid at all. So make sure that you make use of soft butter. So basically, these are all the ingredients that I'll be using. You can as well go in with vanilla flavor or any flavor of your choice. But I chose not to add that with this recipe. So it's just going to be a simple, healthy snack, okay? So I'm just going to mix everything together until I make a dough out of this, okay? Because of the soft butter we are using, we don't need to use any liquid at all, not even a drop of milk or water goes in here. Just the soft butter and the rest of the ingredients will bring this to the perfect result. So once you're done mixing and bringing your doughs together, this is exactly how it should look, okay? This is the perfect consistency. So now I'm going to grab my chopping board, okay? And then I'm going to roll this until there is no more any gaps, like all these breakages you're seeing. I want to get rid of it. However you want to do it, just do it. So I'm just going to use my hands and keep molding it until I get a perfect desired consistency. So guys, if you're new here, this is the best time to subscribe to my channel and like the video on your notification bell so that you won't miss out anytime I post new content, okay? It is absolutely free. This gives an indication that you love what I'm doing and you want me to keep posting. And please endeavor not to skip the ads. This is the only way we make something out of this, our ministry, okay? Thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. And thank you for viewing. Oh my goodness, to all my returning subscribers, I don't know how to appreciate you guys. Words cannot, cannot describe how I'm grateful for all your love and your support on this channel. We are growing and we keep growing. Thank you for all the amazing support. God bless you all immeasurably. Okay, so guys, moving on. I'm done molding my dough. So I'll go ahead and place baking paper on baking tray. This is where I'm going to be placing my shortbread. So grab a knife or anything that you want to use to cut your dough. Probably dough cutter, but I prefer using a knife for this. I'm going to cut it in half. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab my rolling pin and roll this, okay? Make sure not to flatten it that much because you want your shortbread to have a little bit of height, okay? Just slightly roll it until you have a perfect height, okay? So once that is done, grab your knife and cut off the rough edges. Cut the rough edges like I'm doing here, and then shape your shortbread as you want it to be, okay? It is that simple. It is so simple. If you watched up to this point, thank you so much. I do appreciate you. God bless you immeasurably. Okay? And guys, I'm gonna allow you guys to enjoy watching this amazing recipe, okay? Let me not bore you guys with so much talk. So all you have to do from now on is just to cut and shape your shortbread to your desired size, okay? And afterward, give it whatever design that you want. You'll see towards the end that I used fork to design mine. It's not mandatory, it's optional. If you want to leave it like that, you can just leave it like that and bake your stuff. Once you're done slicing and shaping your shortbread, just place in the oven and bake at 160 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes and you're done. Okay, it is so simple and you have a perfect snack for your kids, for anyone to enjoy at home. Thank you guys so much. I'm just gonna place a nice music for you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. And as you go this week, may the Lord bless you and increase you. May the Lord make his face to shine upon you and be gracious to you. I love you all. May the Lord grant you all your heart desires, all your good heart desires, all your prayers, and all your expectations. None shall be cut short. Stay blessed wherever you are and keep coming back for more. So it's going to be the end of it for me. For now, see you on my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.